Installing an electric vehicle charger in your home is a great way to make sure that you always have access to a charge. If you live in Salt Lake City, Utah, you may be wondering what the cost of installing a home EV charger is. Installing an EV charger in a home is a cost-effective way to increase the convenience and accessibility of charging for home EV owners. This video provides an overview of the cost of installing a home EV charger in Salt Lake City, including installation fees, permits, and other costs associated with the process. Now, we also provide recommendations on choosing an installer and the type of chargers that are best suited for the specific needs of the electric vehicle owners in the area. An EV charger, or electric vehicle charger, is a device that allows an electric vehicle to be charged from a power outlet. The EV chargers come in a variety of types, with most home EV chargers being Level 1, Level 2, or Level 3. The Level 1 EV chargers are the slowest, typically providing 4 to 7 miles of range per hour of charging. Typically require minimal installation work and cost around $1,000. The Level 2 chargers provide 8 to 22 miles of range per hour of charging. Level 3 chargers provide up to 80 miles of range per hour of charging. The Level 2 and Level 3 EV chargers can range from $2,000 to $5,000 and do require more significant installation work. Installing an EV charger in your home in Salt Lake City can provide numerous benefits. First, it can save you money in the long run. Installing an EV charger in your home can reduce the amount of electricity you use from the grid, which can result in lower monthly electricity bills. It is more convenient to charge your EV at home, as you won't have to worry about finding an EV charging station when you're out and about. Many EV owners in Salt Lake City qualify for incentives and tax credits when they install an EV charger in their home. These incentives can significantly reduce the cost of installing an EV charger, making it more affordable. Installing an EV charger can increase the value of your home, as it can be seen as an attractive feature for potential buyers. The average cost of installing a home EV charger in Salt Lake City is around $1,000 to $2,000. This cost includes the cost of the charger, the labor to install it, and any additional parts and materials needed to complete the job. This cost may vary depending on the type of charger, the complexity of the installation, the distance between the charger and the main electricity supply, and any additional features and accessories that are requested. The more complex the installation and the higher the quality of the charger, the higher the cost will be. Our service of installing a home EV charger in Salt Lake City offers the expertise and experience to install the charger in a safe and efficient manner. We provide advice on the type of charger that is best suited for your needs, as well as the cost associated with the installation. Additionally, we provide information on any available incentives offered by the government for installing an EV charger. Contact us for an estimate on the cost of installing a home EV charger in your Salt Lake City home.